Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 3.1 question number 2. Write first 5 multiples of 5. Here you see multiples of 5, we are writing first 5 multiples. The first the first 5 first 5 multiples of 5. The first 5 multiples of 5 are, we'll write the multiples, that is 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. And 5 into 5 is equal to 25. These are the first 5 multiples of 5. Now we'll do question number B. You have to find the first 5 multiples of 8. Right? We'll find the first 5 multiples of 8. Right? Now question number B. Question number B. The first the first 5 multiples of 8. First 5 multiples of 8 are, that is 1 into 8 is equal to 8. 2 into 8 is equal to 16. 3 into 8 is equal to 3 is 24. 4 into 8, 4 8 is 32. 5 into 8 is equal to 40. These are the 5 multiples of 8. That is 1 into 8 8, 2 into 8 16, 3 into 8 24, 4 into 8 32, and 5 into 8 40. These are the first 5 multiples of 8. Now we'll do question number C. Do question number C. Now we have to find the first 5 multiples of 9. First 5 multiples of 9. Therefore, the first 5 multiples of 9 multiples of 9 are 1 into 9 is equal to 9. 2 into 9 into 18. 3 into 9, 327, 4 into 9, 4 9 36, 5 into 9, 5 9 45, right? Therefore, the first 5 multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.